And welcome to my kitchen. Today it is stir fry flower crab. In Tamil it is called Nandu Perattal. I'll take you through the ingredients. There will be two types of spices I'm going to use. One will be a dry spice, the other one will be a masala spice. Both can be done with electric blender and it is easy. Let's get started. The ingredients, I'm going to start with the dry ingredients first. I'm taking about a tablespoon of pepper, half tablespoon of fennel seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, and some curry leaves, and small onions about 6, big onion is about half. This will be a dry spice. Then I'll be grinding this into a paste, which is taken 1 onion, ginger garlic, garlic about 5 to 6, ginger a small piece, green chili 1, and poppy seeds, this is about half tablespoon, and almond about 4. Chili powder and fennel powder and salt. I'll be seasoning with oil and fennel seeds, bay leaves and dried chili. And then I will be adding onion, small onion about 4 to 5, big onion 1, curry leaves, tomatoes I've chopped fine, 2 tomatoes, and I'll be adding tamarind juice about half cup and lemon juice about a tablespoon. Towards the end I will add this. Let's get started. Dry roasting the spices until the aroma comes out. The spices, pepper, fennel and cumin seeds together with curry leaves. So I am going to powder this first. I blended this dry spice first. Now I will be adding onion in the same thing and blending it coarsely. Dry spice with the onion is ready. So you have to blend this like this coarsely. I'm going to add onion about 1 chopped, and this is the poppy seed about half tablespoon, and then 4 almond, garlic about 5, ginger a small piece, green chili, and a tablespoon of tomato. I'll add it so that the paste is smooth. I'll add in about 2 tablespoons of water for the paste to blend well. Dry spice is here, and then this is the onion, ginger, garlic, all that I made it into a smooth paste. Almond, poppy seeds. Adding bay leaf, about 4 chili, then half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Okay, I'm adding the small onion. Big onion. Half teaspoon of salt for the onion. So the tomatoes are well blanched here in the oil. So now I'm going to add the extra spices. I'm going to add the turmeric about 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, sombu 1 teaspoon, dry spice. I'll be putting the recipe in my description box, so it will be easy for you all to follow. This recipe is for about 400 grams of flower crab, which I've taken 2 flower crabs, big ones. And then onion. adding about half cup water. Two big ones, so I'll be adding it in the masala. It's about, say, 400 grams after you clean. Tamarind extract, it's about half cup. So I will let this simmer, then add the crabs in. I already added half teaspoon of salt with the onions when I sauteing it. So now I am adding about 1 to 2 teaspoons. I cover it and let it simmer, say about 5 minutes. So the oil will float on top. The oil is starting to float on top. So I am going to add the crab now. There's enough tamarind. The spices are well combined with. You have enough masala for this. This can be very well eaten with rice because it's almost like a curry, but it's a thicker version of the curry masala. So if you're a fan of crabs and you crave for eating something like Indian cooking or masala which has got more spices. Spice is not only for chilies. When you add pepper, fennel seed, all those things are called spices. I'm going to give it to my husband to taste because he will let me know whether everything is perfect. According to my husband, and it tastes, the salt, everything is correct. Tamarind is perfect. I'll give you a tip. When you're cooking the crab, always the salt will be more than the other spices. But when you add lemon or tamarind juice, it will balance out with the spices. So you won't feel the salty taste in the crab. It will be well balanced. That's why we add tamarind, which blends well with this recipe. Just simmer for about 5 minutes. It's done. Okay, the masala is ready now, and the crab is cooked also. I just covered it for about 5 minutes. Masala is reduced and it's become thick and well balancing with the crab. You can add coriander or mint or curry leaves. Just okay. It's time to take off. Can you see the oil is already floating? So I don't add much oil. It is well combined with the masala. So it is okay. Turn off this.